So I got the rapid egg cooker from Tesslux, and in this video I'm going to show you everything that you receive with your purchase, and then a quick guide on how to use this. I'm personally going to be making some hard-boiled eggs. This works perfect for omelets, soft boil, poached eggs, anything like that. This is going to be your device. So here's going to be what you get though. You get the cooker itself, cover on top with vents here. You're going to get a measuring cup that is nicely labeled for you so you can use it when you're measuring out the water, and I'll show you what you need to do with that. And you're also going to get a bowl. So personally, like I said, I'm going to be making hard-boiled eggs, and how you do that is super easy. So on the bottom here, you're just going to fill this with water. They give you this cup. Basically, they want 100 milliliters in there, so just fill this up and you're going to be good to go. So I'm going to bring it closer here so you can see all the buttons on this, but I'm going to go make some eggs and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so here's what it looks like close up. As you can see here, we have all of our, they give you the times you need to cook yourself for. So if you want to make soft-boiled eggs, 7 minutes, hard-boiled 12, omelets 6 minutes. So they make it super easy for you. So all you need to do is lift this up, and then we're going to add our water. And this way you add 100 milliliters. So the measuring cup they give you is 80. So you just need to add a little bit more than this, and you are good to go. At that point, we can put this down on there. Take out our eggs. I'm just going to make 3 of them. Super easy. Move that so you can see it a little bit closer. All right, so we got our eggs in there. At this point, we're going to put our top on. All right, got that secure. So to turn it on, you hold this for 3 seconds. Hard-boiled eggs, they want it 12 minutes for 3 of them. So turn this to 12. And this will count down just like an oven will. And when it hits 0, it'll turn off for you. So let's say you accidentally forget about it or something. No worries, it's going to turn off when it's done. But just like that, it's going to start cooking these when we come back in 12 minutes and we see how they turn out. So here's what it looks like in action. So I love that it is so quiet. I have a microphone on right now, but you can't hear anything. There's not like a bunch of steam coming out or anything like that either. So super easy to use and very quiet as well. Okay, so these just finished up. So what you can do is just let them sit for like 10-15 minutes. They are going to be pretty hot. If you are impatient, what I like to do is I'll just throw them into a little cup of like ice water and they'll cool off real fast. So we'll check it out, see how they work. Bring it over here. Everything in view. Look at that. You got yourself a perfect hard-boiled egg. So this is super easy to use. Personally, I love hard-boiled eggs. Some salt and pepper on them. They're very good. This is a very easy way to do it. Like I showed you, you literally just put them in there with some water, turn it to the 12 minutes, walk away, and you got yourself a perfect hard-boiled egg. And we'll see what the middle looks like just to make sure. Wow, look at that. Perfect. So this is awesome if you love eggs, omelets, poached eggs, anything like that. This is going to be an easy way to make it. It's portable, easy to clean. So I'm super happy with this. Give it 2 thumbs up.